BKN301 partners Finastra to launch BOSS solution. Fintech BKN301 has partnered with Finastra to bring digital and cross-border payment solutions to San Marino and expedite its banking-as-a-service BOSS solution deployment for the MENA region. Alex Bank partners with Temenos to launch term deposits. Australia-based digital bank Alex Bank has launched its fixed term deposits in partnership with the global open platform for composable banking Temenos. N26 launches instant savings account. Germany-based digital bank N26 has announced the launch of its new N26 instant savings account in Spain, aiming to offer eligible customers interest on deposits. Jack Henry to contribute to FedNows's launch. US-based fintech company Jack Henry has announced that it will contribute to the launch of the Federal Reserve's payment network, the FedNow SM service. Freedom Finance partners with Money Expert. UK-based digital lending marketplace Freedom Finance has partnered with Money Expert to provide customers with loans and credit card services. Zip launches unified platform for procurement. Zip has announced the launch of a unified platform for procurement, consolidating the tools and processes needed for the end-to-end procurement lifecycle. Pay Nearby launches Pay Nearby Mall, a meta commerce platform. India-based branchless banking network Pay Nearby has launched Pay Nearby Mall, a meta commerce platform, to facilitate access to goods and services. Smart secures $95 United States MLN in Series E funding. UK-based financial technology company Smart has secured $95 million United States in the latest round of funding led by Aquiline, a private investment firm. Teamwork Commerce receives SOC 2 Type 1 compliance. Global retail management software Teamwork Commerce has announced the receipt of SOC 2 Type 1 compliance for all Teamwork Commerce Premier Edition customers. NeutronPay expands to Canada and partners Ditto Banks. Canada-based NeutronPay has launched its Lightning-powered app in Canada and partnered Ditto Banks for cross-border remittances. Binance exits Canada due to strict cryptocurrency rules. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance has announced that it will cease its operations in Canada due to new stablecoin and investor limits. Advanced Payment Solutions partners Armenotech and Tempo France. Canada-based Advanced Payment Solutions has partnered with Armenotech and Tempo France to form an ecosystem based on the Stellar blockchain. Real-time launches wrapped fiat and CDBC services. Norway-based financial services platform Real-time has announced the launch of its wrapped fiat and central bank digital currency, CDBC, services. Deutsche Bank wins MOS payments mandate. Berlin-based spend management platform MOS has selected Deutsche Bank to handle payment transactions for its customers in the EU. Group payments startup Hands In raises $550,000. Hands In, a payments startup that lets groups split the cost of basket at online checkouts, has raised $550,000 from a host of industry players. Citi builds embedded payments suite with POS installment loans and lines of credit. Citi Retail Services is boosting its embedded payments capabilities by enabling merchants to offer lines of credit and installment loans at the point of sale. Yield app boosts crypto accessibility with Volt real-time payments. Digital wealth platform Yield app has partnered with Volt, the leading global real-time payments gateway, to offer additional GBP and EUR on-ramps via FPS and SEPA Instant. IDEX Biometrics expands in Southeast Asia with MCS. IDEX Biometrics and MCS Microsystems, MCS, are partnering to develop next-generation multi-application biometric smart cards. MasterCard integrates with fraud-fighting fintech Vesta. With merchants estimated to suffer more than $48 billion in e-commerce fraud globally in 2023, 22% of that in Asia. 1. MasterCard today announced the expansion of its partnership with Vesta, the global leader in payment fraud protection. BKN 301 Group goes live with Finastra for BOSS rollout. Finastra, a global provider of financial software applications and marketplaces, announces that BKN 301 Group, a fintech committed to creating a world without financial barriers, has gone live with Finastra's Essence to bring digital and cross-border payment solutions to San Marino and subsequently emerging markets around the world. German BNPL player Tilta goes live on Mambu. Tilta, a Berlin-based fintech, announced the successful launch of its greenfield lending solution on Mambu's cloud banking platform today. Powered by Mambu, Tilta can enhance the payment experience for B2B merchants and their end customers, while closing the working capital gap on e-commerce marketplaces. ComplyAdvantage takes on payment fraud using machine learning algorithms. Criminals have never had more avenues through which to defraud people. FlexTrade aims users to get real-time price feeds from 6. The global financial information provider, and FlexTrade Systems, a global leader in multi-asset execution and order management systems, have announced the integration and availability, as of now, of global real-time market pricing and reference data from 6 into the Spark cloud-based M solution. Matrix Sport collaborates with Copper. Matrix Sport, one of the world's largest and trusted digital assets financial services ecosystems, today announced a flagship partnership with Copper.co, a leading institutional digital asset custody provider, integrating its pioneering off-exchange collateral management and settlement solution, ClearLoop. ComplyAdvantage launches fraud detection solution. Financial crime intelligence company ComplyAdvantage has launched a fraud detection solution that uses machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent transaction fraud. Fifth Third buys healthcare payments and remittance provider Big Data. Fifth Third Bancorp, Nasdaq, FITB, today announced it has closed the acquisition of Big Data LLC, a technology solutions provider for healthcare payments and remittance. ACI Worldwide certified on FedNow. ACI Worldwide, Nasdaq, ACIW, a global leader in mission-critical, real-time payment solutions, today announced that it is among the first in the payments industry to complete testing and certification for the FedNow service, the Federal Reserve's new instant payments offering launching this July. Zip launches intake-to-pay platform for procurement. Zip today launched Zip Intake to Pay, extending its industry-first intake-to-procure platform to now provide sophisticated procure-to-pay capabilities, including purchase order, PO, management, accounts payable, AP, automation and global B2B payments functionality. Verif and MassPay form partnership. Verif, a global identity verification provider, today announced that it has partnered with MassPay, a global payout technology company, to provide enhanced identity verification, IDV, services and Know Your Customer, KYC, offerings through its global payment orchestration platform. SMB financial platform Vault launches in Canada. Vault, the all-in-one online financial platform for small to medium-sized business, SMBs, announces its official launch and widespread availability across Canada. This concludes our current edition of the BayPay Forum podcast. Remember that you can read the full text of each article in our news section on baypayforum.com. We hope to see you tomorrow.